to see liked videos on YouTube. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your liked videos on YouTube. For that, you'll need to open your YouTube application on your mobile device first and make sure you are signed into your Google account. Now once you are signed in, you will reach to this page. Here at the bottom right corner, you will find your profile picture. Tap on this profile picture of yours to access your profile. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here at the bottom, you will find playlist option. Under playlist, you will also find liked videos. You may also tap on this view all option right here and see all the playlist from here. Here now tap on this liked videos and in this list, you will find all your liked videos. You will see the list of videos that you have liked previously. So from here, you can find your favorite or liked videos whenever you want. So following these steps will help you easily access and manage the videos you liked on YouTube. Now whenever you wish to watch your liked videos on YouTube, you may follow these steps. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.